Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable aptX adaptive Bluetooth codec for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by open EARFUN application and now click on your earbuds here. Then scroll down and you need to find Bluetooth audio quality. Now tap on it and right here we have aptX codec. So firstly, I recommend to use this codec if you have Qualcomm chip. And firstly we need to enable, so just click at the slider near to it. You can click on aptX or you can click at the aptX adaptive. And right here we have information icon near to it, so I recommend to click on it. And right here you can see requirement for to use this Bluetooth audio codec. So if you have these chips or above, you can use it. If you haven't, I don't recommend it to use it. Now just click at the Qualcomm aptX. You can also use only Qualcomm aptX. No, you don't need to use adaptive, and with aptX you need only Qualcomm chip. And right here I saw just you requirement. So I already click on it and then click sure. Now we need to wait. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!